Have you ever noticed this? If you hurt your leg, the pain fades in a while. But when someone ignores you, rejects you, or leaves you on scene, that pain stays much longer. Rejection hurts more than physical pain because our brain treats it the same way it treats an injury, but with emotions attached. When you get hurt physically, the pain is clear and temporary. You know it will heal. But rejection attacks something deeper, your sense of belonging and self-worth. A broken bone doesn't make you question your value, but being ignored, replaced, or told no makes your mind overthink and blame itself. Humans are wired to connect, so when that connection is cut, the brain panics as if something important is missing. That's why a simple no reply can hurt longer than a bruise. Because rejection doesn't just cause pain, it whispers doubts that stay with you long after the moment is over.